This is a USB rechargeable soldering iron. It has a lithium-ion battery and charge controller built in. It is an improved version that has a more ergonomic, comfortable grip, can melt lead-free solder, and stay above 700 degrees Fahrenheit for over an hour and a half. It's called Solderdoodle Pro 2.0. You just flip the switch, push the power button down, and after 30 seconds you can start soldering. Solderdoodle Pro is perfect for Arduino type projects up to 24 gauge wire. It is cordless, so you don't have to bring your work to a designated soldering station. Instead, you can bring the soldering iron directly to your work. Solderdoodle Pro recharges from any USB socket, like a USB wall adapter or even from a laptop. When Solderdoodle Pro is fully charged, the green LED turns off. Based off the success of the original Solderdoodle Kickstarter campaign, a new circuit board prototype was created and a new case design was able to be 3D printed. Now, the new Solderdoodle Pro prototype performs so well that we are asking backers to help fund a second batch of Solderdoodle Pros. Feel free to solder in front of the TV, at your computer, or outside without carrying big, bulky equipment around. The freedom of not having a cable attached to a wall is pretty amazing.